Good morning. Or is it? You all changed your clocks ahead, but it is Sunday, so I hope you slept an extra hour instead of letting the time change get to you, because it got to me too. Friends, right now, +7. +7. We haven't seen that in weeks. +7 feels like +3, and it is absolutely incredible out here. People are it's only 10 in the morning. People are already oot and a boot, getting ready for the day. And today, I'm hoping, is about the birds. The last couple of days I've been walking around here. I've been capturing a few interesting things with the birds in this neighborhood. And I hope to get to the river today and feed my wonderful friends there. So I hope you stay tuned. And meanwhile, like I say, it's all about the birds. All I've heard all day outside of my window is the chirping of the chickadees. And right there, right on top of that, yeah, that's a woodpecker. That's a woodpecker, and it's making noise by banging its head super fast. I don't know how well you see it, but oh, and I changed the way this looks. There, let's get back to normal. Let's refresh it. That woodpecker hangs out and makes that noise all the time, just like this video right here. It's doing it in the neighborhood. But this is a neat spot. Like I said, it's about the birds. Yes, we can look quite nicely at this. Let's see if we can. She's a pretty woodpecker. And yesterday, right at that same spot, let me put a full video up, and you can see magpies are assholes picking on that cat. I'm going to repeat it again. Magpies are assholes. That's what I mean. All about the birds. And a very brave kitty cat. I did watch, and I actually tried to record. Something went wrong, so I only got that 3-second video that I played with a bit so you could see it better. But that cat was up there and trying to chase the birds, but was scared of where it was. And it finally went to the edge and just jumped down like a squirrel does off of very high points. So it was interesting. It was fun. And that's the kind of thing around here. We have woodpeckers, we have chickadees, we have sparrows, we have a few hawks, an eagle nearby. It's a good spot. And lots of bunnies. Speaking of people, I wasn't speaking to people, but there was. So, as usual, I try to keep this between you and me, not them. Or they. No, I won't get into that. No politics today, my friends. And oh my goodness, the sky. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful day. So pitter patter. Let's get at her. And you know, I really do think we'll head to the river and we'll talk from there. But I do think that I'll be doing some sort of montage. I'll find some good music to put it to after we get to the river. So let's put in hippie transport. Ready? There, we made it. In the bush today. We're in the bush. So let's see if we've got some birds that we can talk to and feed. It was a good walk. And I said it's about the birds today. So let's go find some. Hey, I think I see some. Sometimes you just have to walk into the areas where there are more brambles and bushes and smaller trees, because the birds want to hide out amongst them. And they want to stay away from most people. And now, here we go. I love this place. I love being able to take you here and show you the birds and show you the peace that I feel when I'm here. Yes, look at the beauty around me. It's absolutely gorgeous. There are more birds, so I'm going to go a little closer to where they are. And they will come here. Here we go. My beautiful friends, all taking their time. And I've got quite a mix of seed this time. So very definitely we're going to see more. Here comes one. That one was kind of picky, wasn't it? It wanted a certain kind of seed and it didn't like the little tiny ones. It liked the bigger sunflower seed. So there aren't that many, but it's sure nice to be able to come out here and feed them. Here comes a little one. Sometimes you get the parents, sometimes you get the kids. Either way, they take them and they put them in a spot in their tree, and they come back here like this one and get more. That's a picky one. And that one was a little timid. I've got more and more coming. They're coming like crazy. I think they told their friends, and they told a few friends, and they told a few friends, and so on, and so on. So friends, I'm going to stay here, and I'm going to feed them for as long as they want, or as long as my seed runs out. Ooh. Don't clip that spot. I'm glad I said ooh right away. I'll let you see one more bird coming along. Here she comes. Here she comes again. Now, let's click the music on and let's get going. Pitter patter. Get at her. Peace. and we let the music wind down and end. And I am sad to say, so must this walk come to an end. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. The sun's just gone behind that cloud up there. And it is gorgeous outside. There's someone behind me, so I'll just wait till they pass. And, as you can see, it was mostly about the birds. The montage, just about the ice. But the day was for the birds. I want to thank y'all for being a part of my day, for being a part of my walk, for coming with me as I just dabble, toke, and talk. And I get to my favorite place that I told y'all that I've taken a picture here a couple of times a week for a year and a half. And I want to one day put them all together and show the changes of the seasons. But it's a big job, and I'm a lazy hippie. But it's that right there. I aimed right at that spot on every picture for a very long time. And here comes some geese overhead. Noisy things. I hope you were able to see some of it, and I'm glad that we could end it with a couple of noisy Boyds, because I love me some Boyds. Have a wonderful day, all y'all. Peace and cheers. Love and harmony.